Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can edit in CapCut PC. This is just a few things that I want to show you guys how you can edit. This is not going to be very full depth, so I'm just going to select this video for the example. Here's where you can change your frame ratio. Here's where you can add keyframes to scale it in and out. You can even position it, for instance, this way so it zooms like in that area. You can even add in show keyframe animation. You can add in like an ease in animation. Maybe the ease out one, or quad out, or cubic out to zoom. Let's do that. And then you can also stabilize your videos, enhance quality. There's just a bunch that you can do. I can't obviously explain it one by one. It's going to take so long. You can add in an animation, an in animation to it, an out animation to it. For instance, this airplane mode one is pretty cool. You can add that. It is a pro feature though. And then you can add in effects to it as well. And you can add in filters too. And I guess you can also adjust this as well. You can add a custom adjustment to it if you want it a little bit more sharp. I don't know, it's totally up to you. And that's it. There's a lot of things. You can also add in a video transition. You do need to have more than one clip though. And you can also adjust the duration of the transition. And that is it. That is how you can edit as a beginner on CapCut PC. It's actually pretty simple and easy to use. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.